Welcome to the Disney Polynesian Village Resort. We're taking you inside a brand new deluxe studio in the stunning Island Tower. This newly opened tower features modern Disney Vacation Club accommodations with incredible theming. Today, we're showcasing a theme park view room with a direct view of Magic Kingdom. Let's step inside. As we enter the room, let's head right into the bathroom first, because that's what you'll come to. The bathroom in these Island Tower studios is thoughtfully designed with split functionality, a feature that families really appreciate. You have a spacious vanity area with a large mirror and plenty of counter space, which is essential when you're getting multiple family members ready for the parks. The sink area is separate from the water closet and shower, which means one person can be getting ready while others are using the facilities. You know it happens. This saves so much time during those early morning rope drop days. The shower features a beautiful tile design with a rainfall shower head, and you'll get those typical Disney H2O bath products that smell so amazing. The entire bathroom showcases the same beautiful Moana-inspired theming that you'll see throughout your room. There's also plenty of counter space for all your toiletries and getting ready essentials. Just outside the bathroom, you'll find a large storage closet with plenty of hanging space for all your clothes and park bags. There's also an in-room safe, perfect for securing your valuables, and you'll find an ironing board here as well. Now let's explore the main living area. You will notice the beautiful Moana-inspired theming continues throughout. This deluxe studio comfortably sleeps up to 5 guests with a luxurious queen-size bed featuring premium bedding. Between the bed and the kitchenette is a sleeper sofa that converts into a queen-size Murphy bed that folds out of the wall. It's surprisingly comfortable. The attention to detail is remarkable, from custom light fixtures to tropical leaf patterns in the carpeting. Let's move over to the kitchenette area. This makes a DVC studio so convenient for families. You've got a mini refrigerator for storing snacks and drinks, a microwave for quick meals and breakfast, and a Keurig for making coffee or tea. The kitchenette includes a sink, dishes, silverware, and utensils, along with a dishwasher, which can help you save money on meals. The room also features USB charging ports and plenty of outlets so everyone can charge their phones, cameras, and Magic Bands simultaneously. Over here you have a neat booth seating area and a large flat screen TV. Under the TV you'll find additional storage compartments for organizing your belongings during your stay. But now let's show you the absolute highlight of this room, the balcony. Step outside onto this private balcony and you're treated to an incredible theme park view. From this vantage point, you can see the Grand Floridian and Contemporary resorts, and most importantly, Cinderella Castle at the Magic Kingdom. The balcony features 2 chairs and a small table. The view also includes portions of the Seven Seas Lagoon, where you can watch the boats traveling between Magic Kingdom and the various resorts. But here's where this view really shines. In the evening, this balcony becomes your private viewing area for the Magic Kingdom fireworks show. You can set the television to the fireworks channel and sit back on your balcony and watch the happily ever after fireworks light up the sky above Cinderella Castle. You'll enjoy the fireworks and experience the magic without dealing with the park crowds. Many of our clients specifically request the theme park view rooms just for this very reason, to make their Disney trip even more magical. Thank you so much for joining us on our room tour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Disney travel content. Ready to plan your magical Disney vacation? Visit us at gettingstravel.com. We'd love to help you make your Disney dreams come true.